Welcome to a transformative tutorial that will guide you through the journey of achieving a flawless and shine-free complexion. The Makeup for Oily Skin Shine-Free Tips tutorial. This comprehensive guide is your roadmap to mastering the art of creating a matte and radiant look that stays impeccable all day long. Whether you're someone with oily skin seeking to refine your makeup routine or looking for strategies to combat excess shine, this video is your compass to navigate the world of makeup designed especially for oily skin, with confidence and expertise. The Makeup for Oily Skin Shine-Free Tips tutorial celebrates the magic of makeup in conquering oiliness and enhancing your natural beauty. It's a deep dive into the techniques and product selection that can help you achieve a fresh and matte complexion, even in the face of oily skin challenges. Within this guide, we'll unlock the secrets behind achieving a flawless makeup look that defies the effects of excess oil. At the core of this tutorial lies the art of understanding your skin's unique characteristics and the science of managing oil production. We'll delve into the intricacies of skincare preparation, revealing how to create a balanced base that minimizes shine and maximizes the longevity of your makeup. Furthermore, we'll explore the world of makeup application, demonstrating how to choose the right products and employ techniques that combat shine and create a luminous matte finish. Techniques take center stage in the Makeup for Oily Skin Shine-Free Tips tutorial, as we guide you through a step-by-step journey of application mastery. With precision and expertise, we'll unveil the power of oil-absorbing primers, long-lasting foundations, and setting powders that work in synergy to control excess oil, ensuring your makeup remains impeccable throughout the day. Whether you're aiming for a natural daytime look or a striking evening statement, each technique equips you with the skills to achieve a shine-free complexion. Yet, this tutorial goes beyond the surface. It's about adapting these techniques to suit your individual skin needs and personal preferences. We encourage you to experiment, blend, and customize the makeup routine to reflect your unique style, allowing your natural beauty to shine through. Ultimately, the Makeup for Oily Skin Shine-Free Tips tutorial empowers you to view makeup as a tool to conquer oiliness and radiate confidence. It's a testament to the fact that, with the right techniques, you can confidently face the day with a shine-free complexion that exudes grace and allure. With the knowledge of shine-free makeup techniques and the inspiration of makeup artistry, let's embark on this journey of managing oily skin with finesse. By the tutorial's conclusion, you'll not only have mastered the intricacies of creating a matte makeup look but also gained a profound understanding of how to combat shine and enhance your natural beauty. With heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this exploration of makeup for oily skin, let's seamlessly transition into the world of Makeup for Oily Skin Shine-Free Tips. A world where technique blends seamlessly with confidence to create a look that's as impeccable as it is uniquely you.